Hi there, students. Heretofore, all one word, an adverb. Heretofore. Okay, this is a really formal word meaning up to now, before now. Yeah, up to now, and that's the meaning of it. Okay, this is one of these words I think I would give a 10 in formality. I think you're only going to see this in a legal document, or maybe in something like a royal proclamation. Charles Windsor, heretofore known as the Prince of Wales, shall now be called King Charles. Sounds like a royal proclamation or something like that, but very formal. Okay, so heretofore, up to now, I think particularly in a legal document. You could also say hitherto, up to this point. Yeah, so before now, from the beginning up to this point. Maybe a legal document where you change your name. John Simmons, heretofore known as Michael Soames. Okay, up until now he was known as Michael Soames, but now he's changed his name up until now. Yeah, the accused will pay the plaintiff a sum of £1,000 for each breach of contract committed heretofore, up until now. Okay, this is the opposite of hereafter or henceforth. Yeah, I guess you could even say hereinbefore. Yeah, in this document before this, heretofore, before this. So if you want to refer very formally to something that's been mentioned before, or you're going to change it, then that's where you use heretofore. Yeah, up until the present moment in time. Okay, so yeah, diseases that were heretofore incurable now are curable. Before now, up to now, up until the present moment. Yeah. Okay. This new invention has opened up possibilities that heretofore were unimaginable. Yeah, okay, so up until now. Yeah, so he complied. He has complied. Present perfect is good with heretofore because it's from the past up to now. He has complied with every condition or every clause of the contract heretofore, up until now. Yeah, the contract heretofore called I don't know, the deal between the two parties. Okay, so up until now, up until this present time, before now. I guess probably you could use this as well, saying the former. So yeah, the new British Prime Minister was appointed probably about a month ago. I'm going to say theretofore, before that point in time, the Prime Minister was Boris Johnson. Okay, so heretofore, up until now, up to the present, before this, but it's really formal. Yeah, let's see. As to, I'm going to, as I said, a 10 in formality. So, this actually comes from Middle English, heretofore with an N. Yeah, here, and to fawn or means before. Tophoran, before in Old English. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you've enjoyed the videos you have seen heretofore, then subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Heretofore.